Look, I want to show you something about these buildings. So you see this building here, and you see these dragon heads. You see how they're poking out of the ground like that? Almost like that's not the whole statue. It's because it's not. You see these pieces of tile here? Look, you can see that this is clearly some kind of patchwork job to hide something. And underneath these buildings, these are just the tops of the buildings. Underneath the buildings, there is more building. And underground, there is more of this stuff. Look, and I can prove it. I can kind of prove it, but it is the case. Look, I'll show you. So you have these dragon heads poking out here. I'll show you what they're supposed to look like. Look, all of these buildings have these dragon statues. And if I go around to the front of it, you will see how they're supposed to look. So around there, the head is poking out of the ground, and they're always in twos at entrances to things. So look, you see here, the two dragons, but that's how they're supposed to look. So over there are two poking out of the ground, and there's an entrance there. And it's because these buildings, especially the old ones, that's not the whole building. That's the top of the building. Underground, there are huge, I don't even know what, but underground there's like buildings, civilizations, the bottoms of these buildings. And I don't know how deep it goes, but this ground that you see, this isn't like ground level. There's way more underground. And it was all to hide something. I don't know what. But yeah, that's the entrance. Look, I'll show you the dragon heads again. But yeah, look. Clearly buried, very obviously.